The Roland TD-17KVX2 V-drums represent a major step forward in electronic drum technology, combining premium features with a compact and user-friendly design. Built around the enhanced TD-17 module, this 5-piece kit delivers an incredibly expressive drumming experience while remaining quiet enough for home practice or apartment living. The kit includes 2 crash cymbals, a ride, and a hi-hat mounted on a sturdy acoustic-style stand, giving drummers a natural playing feel without the bulk of a full acoustic set. One of the standout features is the large 12-inch PDX 12 snare with a double mesh head, which not only offers exceptional responsiveness, but also helps players develop proper stick control and refine their technique. The mesh heads on all pads provide a realistic bounce and feel, making every hit dynamic and satisfying. The TD-17 module itself has been significantly upgraded with new drum kits, expanded effects, and advanced compression and reverb options. With 70 premium preset kits, including 20 fresh kits with custom samples, drummers have access to an extensive range of sounds for any genre. The kit's compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller spaces while still maintaining a professional setup. Each pad and cymbal is strategically placed for ergonomic playability, ensuring that drummers can perform comfortably during extended sessions. The module's user interface is intuitive, making it easy to customize sounds, adjust sensitivity, and experiment with different effects. The natural and dynamic drum sounds replicate an acoustic kit closely, delivering a studio-quality feel that is perfect for recording, practice, or live performance. Overall, the Roland TD-17KVX2 is designed for drummers seeking a high-quality electronic kit that balances quiet practice with expressive play. Its combination of responsive pads, versatile sound module, and compact design makes it one of the best electronic drum kits available today, capable of satisfying both beginners and experienced drummers alike. Whether you're refining your technique or performing complex rhythms, this kit offers the performance, versatility, and realism needed to elevate your drumming to the next level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.